Emergencies strike when we least expect them. Whether it's a power outage, a natural disaster, or getting stranded outdoors, being prepared can make all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 must-have gadgets for emergency preparedness in 2025. These aren't just cool gadgets. They could literally save your life. Let's jump right in. First up, when you need fire fast, you need a reliable fire starter. That's where the StrikeForce fire starter comes in. This compact tool generates intense sparks, even in wind, rain, or snow. With over 4,000 strikes worth of durability and built-in Tinder storage, it's a must-have for survival situations. Whether you need warmth, cooking fire, or emergency signaling, this tool has your back. And up next, a gadget that keeps you connected when the power is out. In an emergency, staying informed is critical. The Eton Odyssey emergency radio keeps you updated with AM, FM, shortwave, and NOAA weather alerts. But here's what makes it special. It has 3 power sources: solar charging, a hand crank, and a built-in 2,000 milliamp hour battery. It also features a super bright flashlight, SOS alarm, and even a USB power bank to charge your devices. This is the ultimate survival radio, whether you're dealing with a power outage or a major storm. Next, let's talk about a power source that can run your entire setup. Power outages can last hours or even days. That's why the Jackery portable power station is a game changer. This high-capacity battery can charge everything from phones and laptops to mini fridges and medical devices. With multiple AC outlets, USB ports, and solar panel compatibility, it's your go-to backup power source. It's quiet, eco-friendly, and built to last. And up next, a portable solar charger that works anywhere, anytime. When there's no electricity, the sun is your best friend. The BigBlue 28-watt solar charger lets you harness solar energy to power up your devices. It features 3 high-speed USB-A ports, and the high-efficiency solar cells ensure reliable charging, even on cloudy days. It folds up compact, making it perfect for camping or emergency kits. This is true off-grid power. Next, a flashlight that's powerful enough to light up an entire field. Light is essential in an emergency. The Fenix PD36R Pro Tactical Flashlight shines at a whopping 2,800 lumens. That's bright enough to light up 415 yards. With a USB-C rechargeable battery that lasts up to 42 hours, this is the ultimate survival flashlight. It's waterproof, durable, and has an SOS strobe mode for emergencies. And coming up next, a water filter that turns even dirty water into safe drinking water. Water is life, but in an emergency, clean water can be hard to find. These emergency water filter straws remove 99.99% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, filtering water down to 0.1 microns. Each straw lasts 1,800 gallons, which means it can provide clean water for years. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, this is a survival essential. Next up, a multi-tool that packs 19 functions in one compact gadget. Survival is all about having the right tools. This 19-in-1 multi-tool includes pliers, knives, a saw, wire cutters, a fire starter, a whistle, and more, all in a pocket-sized design. Whether you need to fix gear, cut wood, or open a can, this tool does it all. Made from stainless steel, it's durable, lightweight, and built for emergencies. Next, we have the Go Time Gear Emergency Blanket, a compact lifesaver for any emergency. This Mylar thermal blanket retains up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm when it matters most. But it's more than just a blanket. It can also be used as a signaling device, a tool to collect water, or even as an emergency shelter. It's lightweight, waterproof, wind-resistant, and compact enough to fit in your pocket or survival kit. Whether you're camping, hiking, or prepping for emergencies, this versatile gear has your back. Moving on. Check out this 2-in-1 solar camping lantern and phone charger. It's not just a super bright 200 lumen lantern, it's also a power bank that can charge your phone in emergencies. It's lightweight, collapsible, and can be recharged via solar power or USB. Perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency power outages, it's even waterproof and shatterproof, and floats on water. This all-in-one light and power solution is a real game changer for your emergency kit. Coming up last, we have the Garmin InReach Mini, a must-have tool for off-the-grid communication. This rugged, compact satellite communicator lets you send and receive two-way messages globally via the Iridium satellite network. No cell service required. You can also trigger SOS alerts, access downloadable maps, get weather forecasts, and even sync it with compatible Garmin devices. Perfect for remote adventures or emergency preparedness, this device ensures you're never out of reach, no matter where you are. Preparedness isn't about panic, it's about peace of mind. These 10 gadgets will help you stay safe, warm, and powered up, no matter what happens. Which gadget do you think is the most essential? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on survival gear reviews.